Hello everyone, how are you today? Okay, I hope you are fine, right? So, welcome back to our English class again. Are you ready for learning English? Okay, I hope you are ready. So, today I want to continue our lesson that talking about farm animals and going to finish our grammar today, okay? So before going to our grammar, I want you to know about the objectives of our lesson today. So objective number one, students can understand the grammar. Number two, copy the lesson into exercise book A and do the homework into exercise book B, alright? So now let's go to our grammar. So now I want to revise about what you have learned before about how to change the verb into verb ing, okay? So rule number one, just adding ing, alright? Just adding ing. So it is easy to change the verb from to verb ing. So rule number one is just add ing. For example, walk, walking. So walk still the same and you add ing, just add ing, okay? So walk, walking. Collect, collecting. Touch, touching. So it's no change, alright? Eat, eating. Feed, feeding. So no change, just add ing, okay? How about rule number two? Drop e and add ing. When the verb is end with e, you drop letter e and add ing. Okay. For example, wake. So wake when end with e. So you drop e and add ing. So waking. Give. Giving. So no e. Okay. Write. Writing. Make. Making. Live, living. Alright, so verb end with e, you drop letter e and add ing. So this is the rule number two. How about rule number three? Rule number three is mean verbs ending with one vowel and one consonant. Alright, so you know what is vowel and what is consonant? Yeah, I already told you. Okay, so for example, run. So vowel is U and N is a consonant. So one consonant U and one vowel U and one consonant N. So we have to add one more N. So we double the consonant and then add ing. Alright? So I already taught you about this. I hope you still remember, okay? How about sit? Also we add one more T and then we add ing. Very good. Sit, sitting. Jog, add one more G and then add ing, jogging. Alright. Stopped, one more P and then add ing. Alright. So I hope you still remember. Okay. So now let's go to our fourth rule. Alright. Fourth rule. So verbs ending with ie, you have to change ie to y and then add ing. Okay, so do you understand how to do it? Okay, let's see the example. For example, die, die. So the verb die is end with ie. All right, so how to add ing? D and you change ie to y. Okay, so no more ie, you just add y because of what? Because die and with ie. So for the rule number 4 we have to change ie to y and then we add ing. Do you understand? Okay, so I want to explain you in Khmer a little bit here. Okay, អញ្ចឹងចំពោះច្បាប់នៃការដូរ verb ទៅជា verb ing នៅក្នុងច្បាប់ទី4របស់ភាសាអង់គ្លេសយ៉ាងនេះគឺកាលណា verb នឹងបញ្ចប់ទៅដោយអក្សរ ie អក្សរ ie នៅខាងក្រោយដូចជាពាក្យ die អញ្ចឹងមាន ie អូខេអញ្ចឹងកាលណាវាបញ្ចប់ដោយ ie គឺយើងត្រូវបដូរ ie ហ្នឹងទៅជាអក្សរ y វិញអញ្ចឹងបានន័យថាយើងបដូរអក្សរ ie ទៅជា y អញ្ចឹងយើងមើល verb កន្លែង verb បូក ing យើងឃើញអក្សរ d y ing អញ្ចឹងបានន័យថាយើង change the verb change ie to y បានន័យថាយើងបដូរពីអក្សរ ie ហ្នឹងទៅជាអក្សរ y ហើយយើង add ing អញ្ចឹង spelling គឺយើងដូរអញ្ចឹងប៉ុន្តែ pronunciation is the same die dying okay die dying another one tie so we change ie to y and then add ing tying lie also change ie to y and then add ing alright so this is the rule មានន័យថានេះគឺជាច្បាប់អញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវតែធ្វើតាមច្បាប់របស់ភាសាអង់គ្លេសយើងអត់អាចសួរថាហេតុអីបានដូរអញ្ចឹងគឺឈើក៏អត់មានចម្លើយប្រាប់ដែរប៉ុន្តែអ្វីដែលឈើចង់ប្រាប់គឺនេះជាច្បាប់របស់ភាសាអង់គ្លេសគឺយើងត្រូវតែធ្វើអញ្ចឹងមិនមែនថាយើងអាចបដូរនឹងចេះបានអត់វាចេះអត់កើតទេព្រោះអីជាច្បាប់របស់គេចាមកអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវថាចាំថានៅពេលដែល verb ណាបញ្ចប់ដោយ ie បើយើងចង់បដូរ verb នឹងទៅជា verb ing គឺយើងត្រូវតែដូរ ie នឹងទៅជា y ហើយបានយើង add ing okay so I hope you understand if you have any question please let me know okay so let's go to see your homework so homework I will explain you in Khmer a little bit here okay អញ្ចឹង homework ថ្ងៃនេះគឺពិសេសដោយសារអីថ្ងៃនេះថ្ងៃចុងសប្តាហ៍ហើយអាទិត្យក្រោយយើងសម្រាប់អញ្ចឹង homework គឺយើងមានជាបន្ទុកឲ្យគឺបន្ទុកគឺយើងបាន10បន្ទុកសម្រាប់ homework មួយនេះអូខេអញ្ចឹងបើយើងធ្វើយើងនឹងបានបន្ទុកអូខេអញ្ចឹងទី1យើងបដូរ verb នៅក្នុងប្រអប់ទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងគឺបដូរ verb ក្នុងប្រអប់ទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងទៅជា verb ing ហើយយើងទៅសេក្នុងនេះមកកន្លែងណាយើងត្រូវ add ing យកមកកន្លែងណាយើងត្រូវលុប e ហើយដាក់ ing ហើយកន្លែងណាដែលយើងត្រូវ double consonant បានន័យថាយើងឧទាហរណ៍ទៅនេះ clap យើងថែម p មួយទៀតបានយើង add ing okay so if you have any question about this homework please let me know okay so that's all about today's video and I hope you enjoy and enjoy your holiday next week and see you next video bye